Hey everybody, this is Christian Mutron and thank you so much for joining me. Now today I created a really cool tool, two cool tools, calculators, and I wanted to share it with you. And there's no ads, no gimmicks, nothing you have to sign up for. It's going to be a mortgage calculator and a home appreciation calculator. These two combined are amazing on how you could leverage your money. So with that, let me share my mobile screen. This way, I know most of you are going to be using your phones, so it'll be easier to follow. I'm going to share it right there. You should be able to see my screen. Here you can see my website. It says butron.cc. I would like you to go there first. Once you're here, double tap the plus sign next to buyers. Scroll down to home buyer calculators. Now here in the home buyer calculators, we're first going to go to the total monthly payment calculator. Here, let's put the purchase price on what you expect to buy your home. This is going to run you down the list and you're going to be able to find out what your monthly payments are. So let's say around the median price around here is $800,000. Down payment, if you want to put a percentage or a dollar amount, I'm going to leave it at percentage and we're going to put 20%. That way, let's say it's a conventional loan, we have to worry about PMI and private mortgage insurance. And here for property taxes, you could either put a dollar amount or percentage. I'm going to leave it at percentage, 0.0125 of the purchase price. And interest rate, 3.5% is actually pretty high for today's rates. Let's put 3%. The number of years is 30 years. No PMI, no well, let's leave it at no HOA. So if it's a condominium, we could put an HOA there, or if there's any type of fee similar to that. Home insurance per year, how much it's going to cost you to have your home insurance. It could be I've seen it range from $700 to $2,000 depending if you need earthquake insurance, flood insurance, or just a regular home insurance and you're not in any fire danger. So with this one, we're looking at $3,614 per month. Calculated everything together. And if you could see, I'm going to bring this down to $1. It changes the amount. So it automatically, you don't have to hit enter or submit. It would automatically calculate it. Now, let me show you the next calculator. Is the home appreciation calculator and how strong this could be. So in this case, you're only putting 20% down. You're paying a monthly payment on $800,000. You're paying a monthly payment of $3,614, right? Let's say you bought this home for $800,000. This is on a home appreciation calculator. And every year it appreciates 5% more. After 10 years, your home estimated value is $1.3 million. Your average monthly appreciation on how much you're making on it is $4,193. Keep in mind, you've been paying $3,614 a month. Now, this is actually pretty common here in South Pasadena for homes to appreciate for well over 5%. So essentially, you're making money just by being in the home. This is why understanding where you're buying a home, how much it appreciates for, even just buying any home here in California, why it's so profound and it's a great investment and you could live in it. So I hope you find these two calculators very fun and very useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach me, or if you have any ideas of how to improve this calculator, I'd love to hear them. If you like this, found this useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Bye.